How to redeem a Steam gift card. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem a Steam gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, log in to your Steam account. Once logged in, tap on your account name and then tap on the account details option you see there. You will then see the option for add funds to your Steam wallet. Tap on that. Next, tap on the redeem a Steam wallet code option and further enter your Steam wallet gift card. You will then be asked to enter a US address, so go ahead and enter the address. And if your code that you entered was correct, then your Steam gift card will be successfully redeemed. So this is how you can redeem a Steam gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button and comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.